17 days to go. And in this episode we are up at Primer Engraving in Glenrothes, and we are laser cutting the wooden bases that you just seen us cut. So we come up here, this is the second year we've cut it here, and we raster engrave all the Cleanfest logos and all the relating trophies onto the timber. I've actually done a couple here already, which are looking really cool. Air, static, paint, and wheels. Then they'll get a good sand and a beeswax, but we'll catch that in the next episode. So we'll just get this one loaded up. So it's quite nice. We pick a side. What do you think? Need dent in that one. That one looks pretty good, eh? Nice and clean. And then we've already pre-cut like a template for the 0 point so that it's always like spot on basically. So just pop the wood in, slide it to the back, slide to the side, make sure we're all happy, and which we are. That's it. And then we come over here. We've got some Illustrator files that we've made up. You bring them into this like strange 1980s laser cut software. It's not quite the ones we used to use back in the uni days, but anyway. Put it to the top left corner on that 0 point, and then we're up for best bait, hit scan, and oh yeah, highlight Cleanfest first, and then hit start. Comes through there, comes through here, says something about we've got other data off the screen, but it doesn't matter, it's just the other files. And then enter, there we go. And there you go, and then we just wait. I think these are taking like what, 4 minutes, these ones, so it's not too bad. And then when we get on to the smaller ones, they'll probably take like a couple of minutes. So we'll get all the big ones fired out, then we'll get onto the wee ones, and then we'll get onto some limited edition keyrings, which I'm looking forward to showing you guys. All the big ones finished. So we've got interior, bay, wheels, paint, static, and air 2022, which is really cool. And now, yeah, just on to the wee guys. We should fly through these, to be honest. So let's just chuck it in and get on with it. Last of the top 10s. 2, 4, 5, 5. Beautiful. Now we are on to, it's kind of a new award. It's not really, but it was always top 5 grounds winner. So it was the grounds top 5 winner. But because we've got the grounds and the green this year, we're just going for a top 5 outdoor. So everyone in the green and everyone in the grounds will be included in the judging, which is nice. So we'll get this one set up. Kick plates, they call them. 16 off.
16 off. Is that like
off.
percent or pounds?
Yeah, no, there was no discount. Soap bars. Quite excited, even though they look the same every year.
They're nice every year.
Still nice to look at. Let's see. Pretty sure they'll be nice. Yeah. Boom. So yeah, these have been along at Fife Waterjet, just along the road, and this is 10mm billet aluminium that we use every year. And we've got a nice soap bar, and here we go. First look. Why would you want to change that, mate? The raw's nice.
Stunning.
How nice is the raw?
I know. Do we bother?
It's got weird lines on it, but
yeah,
I like it.
The wrong way.
But there we go. Soap bars in the house and in the box if you want to see in here.
Lovely.
We've got a whole load of them. It's like fun coupons.
Very expensive fun.
Very expensive fun. Yeah, they're really expensive now actually. Right. All the wood is done. Even the little beautiful best of show. Nice oak veneer. So that should hopefully pop nicely into the 80mm centre cap this year, if Stu's fits. Outdoor one's done, top 10 indoors are done, all that's done. And we're now on to, don't know how much we can see, that's getting there. But what it is, I'll show you on here, is we're doing limited edition keyrings again this year, which we always do with birch ply, and then we lacquer them for the show. So yeah, these are the limited edition which will match into the t-shirt design, which you haven't seen yet, but take hints on that, what it's going to look like. So yeah, we'll let this run. This is probably going to take a bit of time. So I'm going to go to the shop and get us the best Pecora in Glenrothes, which is saying something. And then, yeah, I reckon this is going to take about 40 minutes to raster all them out. So here we go. Just finished at Doner meat, chips and cheese. Let's see what's left. Fucking stinking. Whilst I was eating that, we finished the first keyring test. 3mm birch ply, Cleanfest Scotland, nice globe, and every one of these is custom numbered, so 1 out of 50. These will get sanded and lacquered, and we'll get a nice eyelet hook for them, which will be really cool. These will go quick, they always do every year, and it's just a nice wee touch to have at the show. So yeah, just 49 to go. Keyrings are done. Oh. It's alright, the bed lifts. Don't sweat it, guys. Did that. And we're good. So yeah, keyrings are finished. All the wood is finished over here. You've probably seen it already. And we're done. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Hit the wee bell notification if you want to get notified of all our up and coming videos. Got a few more of these to come as part of this series. And we'll see you in the next one. It's midnight and I'm going home.